Do you want to disable video downloads on TikTok? You can easily protect your original content by turning off the Save Video option so other users can't download your clips to their devices. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To disable video downloads on your TikTok account. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you are on TikTok, make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the three horizontal lines menu icon in the top right corner. Once the menu opens, tap on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. This will open your Settings menu page. Scroll down until you find the Interactions section, and then tap on Downloads. Inside the Downloads menu, you will see a toggle switch right next to Video Downloads. Tap on the toggle switch to turn it off. Once it is turned off, the Save Video button will be completely removed from your posts, preventing viewers from downloading your videos directly through the app.